Hey, how to pronounce him? Tri, Triru, is it? Triru? Triro.
Yes, yes, yes.
You got any questions so far?
Yes, I have one question.
Okay,
The vertical wall will be height will be how to change?
sorry. This
I will
this
press that I will press the rectangle
uh-huh.
after the vertical walls, the parapet wall. I know that's
This wall, right?
this wall height will be how to change.
Okay, I hover here. I press tab key, click,
Oh,
and then here I change the level.
okay.
Okay. Never mind. After this, maybe tonight or tomorrow, I
Uh,
will I will share the video so you can watch.
okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you.
So I'm okay. If you got any question after you practice, you can put in the
Uh,
group and you can ask in the group so everyone can see and maybe they will have the same problem, then they can follow.
okay,
But
okay,
tomorrow I'm traveling. I got business trip to somewhere, but next Sunday I will be back. So the class stay online. Okay.
So if I access any tools here, how do I skip all these particular words? Like here, now I can, how do I skip? This one, the base, right? This is the base, right? The base will also be taken from the rectangle
Yeah.
or
But I can make it. I make it bigger.
for all these,
Because you are currently doing floor. If you do floor, that's you cannot do.
okay, so how do I skip from the floor?
You just
Because, well, then the rest will be empty.
yeah. So it's the way where we do is mesh.
I see.
So because you are actively walking in somewhere, then you cannot do other thing.
Yeah, sorry. My screen, the property is not here.
Okay, I show you here. So okay, maybe you see here. Sometimes you close the property, right? Accidentally, right? Or browser also you might close. Then you go back to view. Then you click this user interface. Then you can on here. Sometime, right, what you can do is if you don't see property, you click any one of your current view, current element, then you can click this. Same thing.
So this is a project boundary, is it?
Yeah.
Property.
Yes.
I hope I can do something like this.
Sure. It's easy, right?
It's of course probably since we are new, something complex, but after a few weeks, hopefully shouldn't be.
Of course you can do that.
Yeah. We can. So I off my computer now.
Okay. So okay, maybe that's all for today. Later I will share the video lessons. Okay.
okay,
Okay. See you next week.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. I will off the Zoom. I will close the Zoom. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. See you.
See you.